If you've heard about an artificial intelligence tool, it's probably ChatGPT. ChatGPT can do a lot of incredible things. We just finished talking about large language models, and that's what ChatGPT is. It's been fed a large amount of text. It's been trained extensively, and we can see it in action if we look at it. Here is the interface, and I've got queued up here ChatGPT version 3.5. This is what was released last November and started taking the internet and the world by storm and helping people to realize all that artificial intelligence can do. And so you can see with a simple prompt how much you can get. And so I'm just going to say hello, just so you can begin to see how it generates text. Hello, how can I assist you today? You can literally give this anything. Help me come up with a grocery list. And then let's see what it says in response. Of course, I'd be happy to help you to provide you with a more personalized list. Could you please let me know your dietary preferences, any specific recipes? And then I might say, I need a week-long meal plan. I have a family of consisting of me, my spouse, and 4 children. And we just need healthy meals for dinner. So let's see what it comes up with if I ask it for that. All right, so here it begins to just generate a quick list. Pretty impressive how quickly that worked. And it's all like, here's your day 1 dinner, here's your day 2 dinner, day 3, day 4. And as you read through this, it's got a legit list of things here. But what's interesting is that you can take this even further. You can take a quick prompt like, okay, make me a meal plan. And then you can instead say, great, now make me a shopping list. Make me a shopping list. All right, here's your shopping list. And what's handy is ChatGPT allows you to copy and paste. So you can take this and then paste it into an app of your choice. And then also there are now plugins available to users that could allow you to, essentially send this to Instacart and off you go. But there's one last thing that I need it to do for me, which is now that you've given me a meal plan and a shopping list for these dinner ideas, give me the actual recipes to cook the meals. And so now it's going to give me the recipe, tell me what to do, give me the instructions, what temperature to cook it at, right? And currently I'm living in Spain, and so I've been asking it a lot to give me things in Celsius. I don't know if that's why it's doing it, if it's learned from my specific input or not, but it's fascinating how this works, that you can get this level of detail and just kind of go down the chain. It's not perfect. Sometimes it'll stall a little bit, but it's going at a pretty good clip right now. But yeah, you can get a whole list of recipes and meal plans and actual specific instructions for how to make your meals. It's amazing. This process can be duplicated in virtually any industry. ChatGPT has been trained, or at least has enough content to understand physical fitness and exercise plans, diet, nutrition. And as a lawyer, I find that it knows quite a bit about the law. And studies have shown that something like ChatGPT can pass the bar exam, which is a very difficult exam that lawyers have to pass before they can become a lawyer. And so it's fascinating to see the pace at which this is improving. In addition to text, with version 4 of ChatGPT, it's a little slower than version 3.5, but it can do a whole host of things that 3.5 could not. And now they've integrated a number of things into version 4, such as the image generator is automatically included. It can take pictures. It can, you could take a picture of your fridge and say, what can I make? Instead of asking for a shopping list, you can just take a literal picture of what you have on hand right now. So ChatGPT deservedly has taken the internet and the world by storm because of its great utility and how it shows how artificial intelligence could be applied to our lives right now. And it can be, and it is being applied to my life and my brother's life as we talk about how we can use these tools in our jobs and in our daily lives. So I hope you appreciate this overview of ChatGPT. And in the next video, we'll look about how you can structure the output so that you can be very intentional about what you get out of ChatGPT.